To the 7th episode of Joomla 2.5 custom module development series. In the previous episode we have learned how to use session in your module. In this episode I will explain how to create a image slider module. So let's start. So for quick video I have already created a module structure. I have done nothing, just I have created the module structure. So if you watch my previous tutorial, then you can easily understand this structure, and if you have not watched my previous tutorial, I will advise please watch my previous tutorial. So let's open this file and I will explain all these things. So at first let's add this folder to Sublime Text. So mod_my slider. So what I have written, so if I open the manifest file, I have given this information here. Okay, I have given the name my slider and description my slider. Okay, and here I am copying few things like CSS images directory. So inside media folder I have created one CSS folder, nothing I have written yet, and inside the images I have given nothing. In similar things in custom.js, just remove this code. So everything is blank. Now if I open the helper file, so I have created this helper file. Okay, let's remove this function, and the module file here, just I have included the helper and layout file, so it will give nothing output. And in the default.php, that is in the layout file, I have added this to CSS file. Okay, so now I will start like implementing the slider. So what we have to do at first, we have to use some jQuery plugin. So I have found this one is a very good px slider, so we will use this slider. Okay, so what you have to go like bxslider.com and download, view GitHub. So click here and you have to download this zip file. So download the zip. I have already downloaded, it is in my desktop. So this was the downloaded file and this is the extracted. So from here we will need something like this icon we will need. So let's copy this icon and go to our module, that is my slider. Okay, inside media images place this. Okay, now we will copy the CSS. So box slider, here you can see the CSS. So let's copy this one and go to our module, and inside media CSS paste this one. Okay, we need the jQuery. So jQuery, this one, box slider min. So let's copy this one, is the plugin, main plugin. So let's copy this one, and also you can take these two. So let's copy these things inside media JS. Okay, so we have copied the CSS and JavaScript. Now we will include this CSS and JavaScript to our module page. So if I go to that layout template page like default.php, here we have to include. And one more thing, we need jQuery. Okay, so download the jQuery. So let's download jQuery. So this one, now right click, save, and go to your desktop, my slider, media JS here. So we have downloaded the jQuery. Now we will add all this JavaScript and CSS. So let's add the CSS file. So this CSS file we will add, copy the file name and open the default.php in your module. Like here we will place this one. So like inside root, media, mod slider, then CSS, this CSS. Now we will add the jQuery and our plugin. So let's go to the JS folder. So at first we have to include the jQuery. So let's copy and paste here. Now the plugin, because this plugin will use jQuery, so definitely you have to keep the jQuery at the top. so this one, and the custom.js where we will write our custom JavaScript code, and if required we will write here custom CSS code. Okay, so we have included the CSS and JavaScript. Now we need some images for slider, so I have downloaded the few sample images from the bxslider.com. so these three we will use. So let's copy this and go to the my slider and paste here, like inside media images. Here we can create one slider images. Okay, so paste this. Now here we will write the specify the image. Okay, so at first you need to create an UL block. So UL, give a class name called my image slider. Okay, now you will specify your each image inside li block. Okay, so li. Now here we will specify our images. So image src here. Now here you have to mention the path. So where our image will be located, inside media folder images slider. Okay, so at first we will write the root. So php echo juri root. So now root become, now we will specify that media slash mod underscore my slider slash images slash this folder name, that is slider images. Okay, like here we can give semicolon and block. Yes, so we don't need this single quote. Okay, now here in this way we will specify. So let's copy and paste this because we have three images. So let's paste one more time. Now we will copy the file name. So let's copy the file name, paste here, this one, paste, and this one. So we have added our three images. Okay, so now completed this section. Now we have to mention the JavaScript code. Okay, so if you go to the this site, here you can see just you have to write this code, like inside document ready you have to specify that bx slider plugin initialize. So let's copy this and paste to custom.js. okay, now this is the class. So this class we have written my image slider. So let's copy this class and paste here. So you have to select that class. If you have an ID, then you have to select in like jQuery format. So let's save this and done, I think. So let's review what we have done so far. So let's toggle this one. I will explain this. So we have created the module and we have specified all the configuration here. So module name is my slider, author, creation date, copyright information, etc, etc, and version and media. We will copy our media folder, that is inside media folder we have the CSS, images and JS folder. So we will copy these three folder inside this folder. So when we will install this plugin, inside the Joomla install directory there will be media folder, and inside media folder this mod underscore my slider will be automatically created, and our CSS folder, JS folder and images folder will be copied, and all the file contents also will be copied to that folder. Okay, and what are the files we need? Like for module we need this mod underscore my slider.php page. Okay, and one helper file is present. We have not used the helper file, but after installation I will show you how you can improve this module, that how you will get images from database or from directory without specifying the manually, just iterating through PHP script. And in the default.php we have created this image slider block where we have created an unordered list and in each list we have placed one image. Okay, and in the above we have included CSS folder like CSS files, the BX slider CSS, custom CSS. In this project we will not need this one, and jQuery, then the plugin and custom.js. And in the custom.js we have written that the plugin we have initialized. So let's create a G file. And let's log into the backend. So login. Now we will install our plugin. So module. So here upload and install. So installation module was successful. Now go to the module manager. Here you can see my slider module instance came. Now here select a position. So our template is Bees20. Here we will place this one publish and give for all page for now. Save and go to the front end. Now here we can see a nice slider. Okay, now if I click on the arrow we can see that slider is changing. So we are successfully implemented, and you can apply few settings. So like here all the options are defined, lots and lots of options here. So if I click on the option, so I will show you how to use these options. So we will modify the existing installed module. So let's open the folder where our Joomla installed. So here in this folder our Joomla installed. So let's go to the modules folder. So we will see the my slider module. Yes, here you can see. So our module installed here. Okay, now in the media directory, if you go to the media, so let's call up this media. Now here also one folder will be created like my slider. Here you can see, and inside CSS images and JavaScript all files are present. So we will modify this custom.js. Okay, and here we will mention all the options. So options you have to pass like object, in object JavaScript like this. So here we will specify all the property. So now if I visit to the slider, it's not like automatically scrolling. Okay, so how we will specify? So like here let's find some option, control, next, auto control, start, auto. So here you can see slide will automatically transition. So we will specify this property. So let's go to the custom.js and here mention auto and property is true. Save this and go to our module page and refresh this page. Then but here you can see automatically slider is changing. So in this way you can test all the options. Like here displaying, but here two control is there, but that control is not displaying. So you can control that start control, previous selector, etc. Lots of other options are present, so you can like test. So if any problem to implementing this slider, please comment below this video. I will be very happy to give answer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.